Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Fatih here. Well, probably you might be asking, you might be wondering that why I suddenly stopped making the daily vlogs. You know what happened on my daily vlog 6? I lost my GoPro. Actually, I didn't lose it. Someone stole it. I lost it in Miami, in Fort Lauderdale. Someone stole the camera. I have the video of the burglar, by the way. I'm gonna put it right here so you can watch. He just stole my GoPro and all my videos are gone, so I couldn't make any more videos. I had to stop making the videos, daily vlogs. And that day we made a really great video in the rich neighborhood of Miami. Like there were great mansions, great villas. I showed like all the details, but all of them are gone with that GoPro. So that's why my moral was not really good, so I didn't feel really okay to make new video. I came back to Istanbul, by the way, and I'm making this video in this great street. This is actually kind of hidden street. There are really colorful, beautiful houses here. It's right between the Topkapı Palace and the Hagia Sophia, so you can just walk from this street. And I wanted to make this video here. And let's get back to my Istanbul videos. Again, I will start making videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and we are going to talk about on our next subject. This is gonna be the best time to visit Istanbul. Why? It's the best time for tourists because there will be 4 days of curfew starting from tomorrow, and in these 4 days only tourists can go out, explore the city without seeing any locals. So everywhere will be really calm. It's great time to visit Istanbul. Like before, I'm with Yunus today, so I decided to make this video with Yunus. I'm so sorry about my GoPro. Still, I don't feel really well motivated, but it's okay. Oh, can I do? It's gone. Maybe my friend will buy me a new one.
I'm not rich. I'm poor man.
If you want to donate some money for my GoPro, you can donate in the comments. Well, anyway, yeah, I will start making more videos about Istanbul from every Wednesday to Sunday. So every Wednesday and Sunday there will be new video in my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and comment below what would you like to see in this channel. That's the most important thing. Bye bye.